Hello students, I am Professor Vijay Singh, Department of English, TS College, Hisua, Nevada, under Magadha University. I am going to talk about a very significant poem, important poem today. This is "The World is Too Much with Us" by William Wordsworth. "The World is Too Much with Us" is a very famous poem by William Wordsworth. This is a sonnet. Wordsworth was born on April 7, 1770, and he died on April 23, 1850. William Wordsworth wrote many romantic poems. He was a famous romantic poet of the Romantic Revival of England. He was a lover of nature. He loved nature very much. He considered love to be God, to be Father, to be guide. He has glorified nature. William Wordsworth finds God in the form of nature. "The World is Too Much with Us" is a sonnet in which the poet regrets for the people who are distancing themselves from nature. They are not taking care of nature, they are not having much care for nature, and this is a serious concern for the poet. In this poem, the poet expresses this concern very beautifully. He says that the world is too much with us. The people are going away from nature. They are very much concerned with materialism. Materialism dominates over them, and nature, which is a storehouse of beauty, remains neglected. The poet says that the world is too much with us. Late or soon, getting and spending all we waste our time, our hour. The poet says that nature, which is ours, which is a storehouse of beauty, remains neglected. She bears its bosom to the moon. It remains like a sleeping flowers, but people do not see the beauty of it. Through this poem, the poet calls upon the people to have love for nature, to have very much concern with nature, and they should not be so much concerned with materialism, materialistic world. This is the call of nature. Here it is important to point out that all the romantic poets gave a call to have love for nature. They gave a call that people should have concern with nature. Nature is the only thing that can give solace, happiness, joy and delight, but nature remains neglected. So by writing this poem, the poet appeals to the poet to go to nature, enjoy nature. They should not neglect nature. This is the dominant theme of this poem. This poem is a very famous poem. I think students must have got sufficient ideas about the world is too much with us. The poem is full of nature imagery. We have the image of nature, the bearing of sea to the moon, the sea like sleeping flower. The poet refers to the Greek mythological figures. They are Proteus and Triton. Proteus is god of sea, and Triton is also a mythological Greek god who have made nature beautiful, but people do not have concern for this beautiful thing. So the poet gives a call to love nature, to enjoy nature, to go amidst nature. Thanks a lot.